we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox voice chat and showing you how to change your voice for free. Whether you want to sound like a robot or monster or something completely unique, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, you should know that Roblox doesn't support automatically changing or changing within itself, so you need to use some other apps. Uh, First things first, you need to download and install your preferred app. After you've installed it, set it up, open the software, and you see various bunch of options on the interface. Then choose from various voice effects. Try out a few. You can adjust the pitch, add effects like echo, or even sound like different characters. Next, configure Roblox to change your voice and launch Roblox and head to the settings menu. And under the audio section, make sure your input devices is set to the voice changer name. And that's all there is to it. You're all set to have fun with your new voice in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.